Let's look at how to avoid confusion between me and I. Now, the main difference is simple. Use I when you're the subject of the clause and use me when you're the object. Now, that's easy enough, but here's where it starts to get more complicated. If you've got two people, say Sam and me, or should that be Sam and I? Well, this question is most important in formal language, writing rather than speaking. If you're using formal language, you need to think whether you're the subject or the object. Sam and I are making a video. Tom and I are getting coffee. If you've got a problem, talk to Sam or me. You're going to be working with me and Tom. An easy way to check is to take out the other person. Sorry, Sam. Now it should be easy to see that I should say, I'm making a video, or if you have a problem, talk to me. So just remember that you and I are subjects, while the objects are me and you.